Alright, there you go. Carb rebuild 2005 Kodiak 400. Hope he's got brakes. Of course he's got brakes. I wouldn't do a carburetor job for him if he didn't have brakes. Why? Because that thing's going to run better than it has in years. If you can't stop it, you're in trouble. Listen to him rip it down through these woods. Listen to him ride it like it's stolen. Listen to it. You get down in there and hit a tree, you're in trouble. Listen. Ripping it like a madman down in there. Whoop, there he is. Better?
Oh
yeah. Yeah, I like that. Said it runs better than it has in years. So he's real happy now, and he can go check his pig traps and set up his deer feeder and take care of his business. Thanks. Have a good night.